How to sign out of YouTube account on TV using your mobile. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Westnut, and today I'll guide you on how you can sign out of your YouTube account on TV and other devices as well using your phone. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your YouTube application and make sure you're logged into the account that you're logged in on your TV as well. Next thing what you want to do is you want to tap on the view option or the profile option at the bottom right corner of your screen, and here under your profile name you can see the switch account option and Google account option. Right, you want to tap on the Google account option and then tap on the Google account that you're logged in on your TV. Once you open it up, you'll get an interface like this. You want to swipe to the right on the home, personal info, data and privacy options. Swipe to the right and you can see security options. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, here you'll get various options. You want to scroll down below here, and under your devices you'll be able to see the option that says manage all devices. Simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, here you'll get the list of devices that your account is logged in on. In my case it is 4 sessions on Android phone, you can see. So what you want to do is you want to tap on that particular device that your account or that particular TV device that will show up here on your account. So next thing what you want to do is you want to tap on sign out option there. Now this is the particular device I'm active on, so it's not showing the sign out option, but if I tap on the other device here, you can see my account is logged in on Huawei Y9 2019. So all I have to do is tap on sign out option and it'll get signed out. So this way you can sign out of YouTube account on TV. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.